2017 Chrysler 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, compass, fog lights, heated front seats, trip computer, tachometer, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, overhead console. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.